This time, you need to write your name properly. Okay. Remember the blue, red, blue lines? Okay. Here. Just the Andre. From here. Very good. Red. Very good. Okay. Again, this is the beginning sound, but this time you are going to write the letters. There are no choices. You need to write it with yourself. Okay? Let's name first the pictures. Okay? What animal can you see? What animal is
Bat.
this? Bat. What is the beginning sound of bat? B. How do you write the B? How do you write the B? Look, it's D. Where is the B looking? Use eraser. Use eraser. You have eraser pala. Ayan. Yan. This one. We drink here.
Coffee?
Coffee. We drink coffee from the
Cup?
mug. Mug. Good job. Next. Oh, what kind of transportation is this?
Jet.
Jet. What body part is this? Lip. Lip.
L?
How do you write the L? Erase, erase. How do you write the L properly?
It's a leg.
Lip. It's J. It becomes J. Where is the L looking? Where is the L looking? Erase mo po.
Wait.
That's J. It looks, yan. Ito, this one is the L. Very good. This one. It's a
Ball.
dot. Dot. D. Erase mo to. Erase mo yung isa.
What is it?
Ito. What animal is this? Pig. Very good. Look at this
Cat?
one. Yes. Look. Where is the C looking? Erase, erase. You need to erase.
C. Bathtub.
It's a tub. Tub. Very good. Let's check, okay? First, we have
Bat.
bat with the beginning sound
B.
B. B. Good job. Next, mug. M. Very good. Next, jet. Lip. What's this again? It's a
Pond.
dot. Pig. Next.
Wait, again.
Oink, oink. This one. You use this para hindi mainit. It's a cup. And the last one,
Bathtub.
bathtub or tub. We have 8 items. Can you count the number of check? You count properly. You count.
One.
Use your fingers.
I think
One.
2, 3, 4,
Properly, Kuya Andre.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Write it. Write your score here. Wow. Let me borrow. Good job. Good job.
I want to draw here.
Good job.